Good morning, Monmouth College students. My name is DJ Frank. I graduated in 2018. I was a football player there at Monmouth College, so I played under Coach Braun. My current position right now is I'm a personal trainer at Anytime Fitness in North Peoria and Germantown Hills. My major was exercise science. So, Professor Braun has asked me to do a video for you guys explaining why the integrated studies is beneficial for students in the beginning of your college career. So, I was just like all of you. I didn't really like it to begin with, didn't really understand it until I got into the workforce now. And what that really made me, what that taught me was that I had to take responsibility for my learning. So I had to actually learn and appreciate that what I was learning in these integrated studies courses will actually transmit or translate to what I'm doing now in my job, because I'm dealing with people from all different walks of life and all different ethnicities and all different colors, you name it. So it's important that you need to learn about the world, about about the classes will teach you about the world in a different aspect than what you're probably used to. So it's very beneficial that you guys pay attention during class, take notes, and I mean, unless you're deciding to go to a trade school or something like that, this is the path that you guys have chosen. So you guys really need to focus in on making the best out of these 4 years. Hope you all have a great semester. Thank you very much. Bye.